Whenever you do running, jumping, or any motion which gives impact, any footwork which gives impact, you can have the shin splints. Multiple exercises and stretches are there. You can pull the toes towards you with the towel, with the resistance band, or you can just keep on flexing the toes up and down. Heel raises, you can go. All of these workouts, you'll notice one thing: the direction of the motion is in such a way that the toes are going towards the knee and away from the knee. You can have posterior or anterior shin splints. You have two bones in the lower leg, the tibia and fibula, the longer bone which gives you the posterior splint. Splint is nothing but the bone softening and development process. What happens when you give impact? Your body recognizes that impact and tells and signals that, oh, now we have to recover and get stronger bones. So first they make your bones weak. At that particular area, the bone tissues get softened up. Once they are softened up, they start getting those micro tears recovered by the nutrition which you have and the stretch which you give to your particular area. The area of impact, if it is less than 5 centimeters square, then you probably need to check. It could be a stress fracture. The best is rest. Rest is not rust. The best is rest. If not, you can use KT tape. Also, to relieve the tension, you can have long and brisk walk on the heel, 100 to 300 meter. That's it. If you are having a fracture, you have to take rest, no other option. I hope this video was helpful, short and fine. Let me know if you need such more. Have a great day. Das Vidania, Random Life and Boxing.